1. The 1959 Mercedes-Benz 190E is a true classic that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. With only 20,500 miles on the odometer, this automatic transmission vehicle is in excellent condition, both inside and out. The black exterior is sleek and stylish, while the white interior is clean and pristine. Under the hood, you'll find the original engine, which runs and drives with no issues. The manual transmission is smooth and responsive, making for a truly enjoyable driving experience. The seller notes that there are no leaks, which is a testament to the vehicle's excellent maintenance and care. One of the standout features of this Mercedes-Benz is its timeless design. The classic lines and iconic grille are instantly recognizable, and the vehicle's impeccable condition only adds to its appeal. Whether you're a collector or simply a fan of classic cars, this 1959 Mercedes-Benz 190E is a must-have. In addition to its great looks and performance, this vehicle also comes with a clean title and a thorough inspection report, so you can rest assured that you're getting a reliable and well-maintained classic car. Don't miss your chance to own this stunning piece of automotive history. Contact me today to schedule a test drive and see it for yourself. 2. Allow me to introduce you to this unique 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge, listed for sale at $67,500. This car comes with PHS documentation, confirming its history and originality. Originally sold with the original 400 cubic inch engine and automatic 400 transmission. In the late 90s, the engine was replaced with another 400 cubic inch engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. I still have the original automatic transmission, shifter, and console, as well as the original carburetor and ram air system. This car has a mileage of 38,643 miles and is in excellent working condition. It is equipped with a gasoline engine and has a clean history, free from significant damages or issues. The exterior of the car is painted in a beautiful blue color, and the interior features fine blue leather. This car is a rare find and would be an excellent addition to any vintage car collection. I guarantee that this 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge would be a fantastic acquisition for any classic car enthusiast, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. 3. This is a 1982 Chevrolet Blazer currently available for purchase at $7,500. It's a classic SUV that has already covered 100,000 miles but is still in excellent working condition. It features an automatic transmission and is equipped with a 350/700R engine. The exterior of the car is gray, and the interior is crafted in fine gray fabric. It comes with features such as power seats and power windows. The car has 15x12 sized wheels, and although the tires are not brand new, they still hold pressure. The vehicle has been lifted by 4 inches, making it perfect for off-road driving. It has seen minimal use in recent years, so new components such as the fuel pump, water pump, oil, spark plugs, wires, cap, and rotor have been recently installed. The front bumper needs to be installed, but otherwise, the car is in excellent condition and ready for the road. This is a great opportunity to acquire a classic SUV that has stood the test of time and is ready for new adventures. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or if you'd like to see the car in per 4. This is a 1982 Toyota regular cab pickup truck, currently available for purchase at $4,500. The vehicle has a white exterior and a blue interior, with a mileage of 166,000 miles. This pickup is equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The seller claims that the pickup has a clean title and is in perfect working condition, making it suitable for use as a daily driver. It is a straightforward and basic pickup, ideal for those seeking reliable and economical transportation. Recently, new brakes, a new clutch, a completely overhauled front axle, new spark plugs, and new shocks all around have been installed on this pickup. 3 years ago, a new catalytic converter was installed, and last week, a new generator was added. The pickup passed emissions testing without any issues. I highly recommend coming to take a test drive to witness its excellent condition. This pickup is perfect for those looking for a reliable and easy-to-maintain vehicle, suitable for daily commuting or work. Don't miss the opportunity to own this classic Toyota pickup at a very attractive price. 5. This is a 1984 GMC 1500 regular cab, and it looks absolutely stunning. The truck has a black exterior and black interior, and it is in excellent condition with only 5,175 miles on the odometer. The TH350 turbo automatic transmission works flawlessly, and it is equipped with a new 2300 to 2700 RPM stall. This truck features a 1996 5.7 engine with a mild cam and stainless steel exhaust headers, making it powerful and reliable. It is also equipped with new Beltec front wheel spindles, front springs, suspension and brakes, as well as new front and rear Monroe shocks. The truck has a 4-inch cowl hood, a tachometer with a shift signal, new low-profile Beltec rear shocks, and new Flowmaster exhaust systems with truck exits. The 15x8 rally wheels look fantastic and have 90% tread remaining. This truck was awarded at the Holly Springs Drag Strip 2023 show in the under construction class at the American Hot Rod Show. The door stickers will be removed when the truck is sold, as they will be used in another project. The truck has a clean title and is fully paid for. It is perfect for classic car enthusiasts looking for a powerful and reliable machine that also looks great. Check out this truck today and see its qualities for yourself. Price: $10,500. 6. Take a look at this unique 1948 Chevrolet Fleetmaster Club Coupe, which is now available for purchase at $28,500. This car has only traveled 3,100 miles and is in very good condition, with no significant damages or issues. It has a clean title and is ready for sale today. This Fleetmaster Coupe is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Its exterior color is maroon, and the interior is gray, creating a classic and elegant look. The most delightful feature of this car is its fully restored engine. It has a new 350 V8 350 engine that provides powerful and smooth driving. Additionally, the car features an air conditioning system, Mustang 2 power steering with an amplifier front disc brakes, and rear drum brakes. The C10 12-bolt rear axle ensures reliability and durability. A new carburetor and radiator ensure optimal engine performance, while almost new tires guarantee a safe and comfortable ride. The chrome bumpers and radiator grille look like new, and tinted glass and new chrome headlight visors add style and class to the car. The car's paint is rated at 8.5 out of 10, indicating high-quality craftsmanship. This 1948 Chevrolet Fleetmaster Club Coupe is the best deal on the market for this price range. It is fully restored and ready to drive. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this unique classic car. 7. Take a look at this wonderful 1984 Toyota Tercel DX Sedan 2D, which is available for sale at $3,200. This car features a silver exterior and interior, giving it a classic and elegant appearance. With only 127,000 miles on the odometer, this car is operated by an automatic transmission. It has had only 2 owners and is now fully paid off, meaning you can become its next owner without any financial obligations. The car runs and drives perfectly, being fully equipped with a new exhaust system, new tires, a rebuilt carburetor, new brakes, including pads, discs, and brake booster, new motor mounts, a new Bluetooth radio, and speakers. The gear shifting is smooth, providing a comfortable driving experience. New LED headlights and all vacuum hoses have also been replaced. The seller is not obligated to sell the car. He is simply looking for a new car project. The seller is open to trades and invites you to send him what you have. He often drives this car from Mandarin to Street Augustine and claims that it is an excellent vehicle. This 1984 Toyota Tercel DX Sedan 2D is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, economical, and classic car. Don't miss the opportunity to become its next owner. 8. Attention all classic car enthusiasts. I present to you this stunning 1980 Chevrolet Camaro RS drag car, currently up for sale for $14,500. This beauty is a true gem, with a clean title and no significant damage or problems. The exterior of this car is a breathtaking red, which perfectly complements its sleek and sporty design. The interior is a stylish gray, providing a comfortable and classic driving experience. This car is automatic transmission and runs on other fuel type. But what truly sets this Camaro apart is its impressive mechanical features. The motor is a 355 1325. One with Dart Iron Eagle heads 264 2.02 x 1.6 valve setup for 725 lift mechanical roller. It has KB pistons, SCAT 5.7 bushed rods, and a 1182 forged crank. The 3,970,000 and 10 4-bolt main block is equipped with 8 RP bolts, ensuring maximum durability and performance. The transmission and converter were replaced 3 years ago, and the entire wiring harness and cage were redone just 2 years ago. The front and back end were also redone last year, so you can rest assured that this car is in top condition. The seller of this car has a good amount of history on it, as they knew all previous owners before them. This car is truly a rare find, and it won't be on the market for long. Don't miss your chance to own this incredible 1980 Chevrolet Camaro RS drag car. Contact the seller today to schedule a test drive and see for yourself why this car is a must-have for any classic car collection. 9. If you're a fan of classic cars, you won't want to miss this 1977 Porsche 924 that's currently up for sale. With its sleek black exterior and tan interior, this car is a true beauty. It's been driven 86,000 miles and has had 3 or more owners, but it still has a lot of life left in it. The car is in good condition overall, with no significant damage or problems. It has a clean title and is paid off, so you won't have to worry about any outstanding lines or loans. The automatic transmission makes it easy to drive, and it runs on gasoline. The seller notes that the car needs some minor work to be a driver, specifically that the fuel injectors probably need to be cleaned. However, a brand new fuel pump has been installed, and the car gets fuel all the way up to the motor. With a little bit of TLC, this Porsche will be ready to hit the road in no time. The seller also has tons of paperwork on the car, so you'll be able to learn all about its history and previous owners. For just $2,000, this 1977 Porsche 924 is a steal. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. 10. Love classic cars? Then you'll definitely appreciate this 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S, currently available for purchase at $5,800. This car has only 56,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. The exterior color is not specified, but that only adds to its uniqueness. Inside the car, you'll find the original upholstery in good condition, along with a stunning custom-designed center console. The center console features speakers, as well as an aftermarket radio and a drone tracking alarm system. This Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S is equipped with an automatic transmission and a 350 engine. The seller reports that many parts, including the suspension, have been replaced. Additionally, a new headliner has been installed. Despite a minor engine knock, this car runs and drives beautifully. If you're looking for a classic car that stands out from the crowd, then this 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S is what you need. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this wonderful car today.